Okay. And it was just a smooth, I mean, it makes you weep. Why on all roller coasters like this? I literally said that while we were on it. Why on all roller coasters like this? It's fantastic. And today we have...
We got fast passes.
Yes, it's a really beautiful day. Again, obviously bank holiday weekend. We're expecting it's going to be pretty busy, and it is already getting the ride times going up. So good investment, we think.
Yes. Good and we just
they're worth it.
Walked on to Icon just then.
Once you actually find the speeding pass entrance to Icon, it is not easy, I have to say.
No, it isn't.
But you know, all adds towards your daily steps, which is good, I suppose. And also, of course, Blackpool is not an enormous walking park in the same way that Alton Towers is, so a little bit of a detour isn't too terrible. Icon, wonderful. I would like every single day of my life to start with a ride on Icon.
That would be pretty awesome.
Personally. And we're thinking, we've just tapped in our little app, and we're set up for the big one for our second ride of the day on beautiful weekend in Blackpool.
Hopefully we'll get front row again.
That would be nice.
Yeah, fingers crossed. We are heading to the big one with our speedy pass.
We just had a really fast, quite rough, but still I really enjoyed ride on the big one.
Felt better than yesterday.
It did, yeah, weirdly. And we've bought some lovely bright blue waterproof splash mats, because now we are going on...
Well, hello!
We are less soaked than we thought we were going to be.
Ponchos, goodbye.
Totally, yeah.
My hair
recommend
is
poncho.
absolutely drenched though, because my hood came down on one of the drops.
Yeah, couple of cracking drops in there. The ride broke down part way around, all the lights came on.
Came off, went off.
Yeah, came on, went back off, boys saying, please remain seated. So that was added to the tension a little bit.
Quite scary actually.
It was quite scary.
Especially when we bumped into the boat in front when we were stationed.
Thankfully, like, you know, we weren't going fast or anything. I mean, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's really, really beautiful, stunning in there. For me, I had my hood pulled up and pulled so tight to try and avoid getting splashed too much that there was, my peripheral vision was like really terrible, so I could only see what was directly in front. So that was a bit, yeah.
Mine wasn't pulled tight enough, hence the really wet hair.
The wet hair. But
got it down to dry,
and it's still so nice and sunny, isn't it? But we'll be dry before we know it, I'm sure. But we're thinking chips now.
Yeah.
A little mini bucket and spade full of chips, because it's Blackpool, so why not? And then we're going to use the speedy pass again, because we are loving the speedy pass today.
We are.
We had intended to ride Diego's World Voyage yesterday, and sorry, Dora's World Voyage. It was closed by the time we got round this side of the park, so we are giving it another go today. I think it's saying it's closed.
Yeah.
This is a first for both of us, I think. Got a few minutes to kill before our speedy pass, so we're for Revolution. Oh, so we're having a little wander through the maze, but I don't think we can get in.
So you've got to wait for it to go off again.
Or go under.
Go quick.
Left or right?
I don't know.
Left. Do you want to go ahead? Hayley modelling a Flamingo Land sick t-shirt today. We're hoping this isn't a massively lengthy, complicated maze because we have got to be at Revolution in about 11 minutes. Ooh, we found a staircase. Have we reached the centre? Fabulous. Great view. Great view of steeplechase there. This one.
Right.
Yep, that was it. Was it a dead end? Another dead end. This way? Nickelodeon streak flying above us there. We've been up on that bridge, I think, so I think straight ahead. She says with unwarranted confidence. Ta-da!
I think that's just a view.
We head out if you want. We've got to keep some energy in our legs for that climb up to Revolution. Oh, so we're leaving the park. I think this is the way.
Out the park?
No, I hope not.
Yeah, puzzle maze.
Puzzle maze exit.
It just took us far, far away from where we need to be.
It really has. It's just taken us all the way back to where we were.
Nickelodeon Land.
Well, that's all right. We'll have a nice brisk walk back to Revolution.
Well, I thought that was a gate in front of us.
And now we've completed the Chinese puzzle maze.
And we're back to the loos. Lovely living wall frames there. Succulents. Okay, Revolution, here we come. Your reward for climbing up all those stairs to get to Revolution. This view. It is knackering. That's a big one there. And that's what we're riding now.
Degree looping coaster.
The most extreme and intense ride on Revolution we've ever had. Haley had a grey out.
I've been on much scary rides, but I've just had my first ever grey out.
We were sat on the back row. Our harnesses were quite floppy, weren't they? Quite loose. They didn't really click. And
I think it was the force of coming out the seat winded me quite a bit, which just made me completely grey out.
It was so extreme. And then obviously you had to go backwards as well, which didn't even feel as bad.
It wasn't as bad backwards as it was forwards, to be honest.
But that's the I think unintentional airtime of having a floppy harness just made
killed us off.
It nearly killed us, basically. We nearly died. So we need a slush.
Yeah.
And so we're on the hunt for a slush now.
And
then we're going to steeplechase.
Yes.
In the sun. Now this is a merchandise shop.
I really like that.
It's classy. Skyline hoodie, $34.95.
I think it's not bad, and the t-shirt's $12.95. Not
nice.
bad, right?
It's a gorgeous big shop. Look at it. It's like the best bits of all the other shops. Oh look, it's Maisie.
I'm going to get Ziggy that so we can fuss on it.
Maisie, what are you doing in Blackpool?
Do you reckon Ziggy would like the fuss?
I think he would.
Oh, that's how much do you reckon?
£30.
No.
£20.
No.
15?
Just under 15.
Wow, that's very good. No, don't.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's too cute. With his little teddy. Adorable. There's too much and it's too cute. Look at the little tiny one. That's so cute. How much are the tiny ones?
£8.
That's alright, isn't it? It's quite standard. Quite standard prices. Moon Rock. Oh, lovely. Lovely tea cozy that. And the Golden Wallace and Gromit cup, aka the nipple mug. We named it last time, didn't we, when we spotted it? Classic Big Dipper merch. Very Art Nouveau, all the design for the Big Dipper. It's lovely. I'm a fan of a tall cup. £10. That's beautiful. That is lovely. Very nice. What's the damage?
£34.
She went here. Yeah, she went here. She went to the floor.
It's a fabulous shop.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice. Lovely icon merch.
Oh, you got a pin badge as well.
Valhalla, which I think I would have been quite keen to do a re-ride on Valhalla, but it was not running this back end of the day. Pleasure Beach fan club. Nice.
I want Valhalla.
No, thank you. A Valhalla chopping board.
I think it's a pizza.
You might be right.
Stone baked pizza.
You might be right. I do like the models I mentioned yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
They were in the icon shop. That's them. Very nice. Coaster cutouts. Parkscapes. A little model of Ice Blast. 3D printed self-assemble model. They have got some nice Revolution. The ride that broke Hayley.
And you?
It did break me a little bit. Oh, I love the little big one model
yeah.
as well. That's adorable. Very nice. Season pass holder set, that's lovely. Very fancy pants. Oh, adorable. This is going to pad out our Christmas tree, I think.
Icon.
Lovely.
Christmas tree deck. With icon. They actually have the little things.
Fabulous. Really nice stuff. Really nice. The coaster cut out the big one. And here we are. Bye, Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
See you again when you can afford it.
See you soon.